Acts of kindness makes us happier and healthier. Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect. It means you have decided to look beyond the imperfections. Smiling boosts our immune system and can help us live here longer than average. If you are not happy being single, then you won't be happy with your better half. Happiness comes from within, not from people. One cannot hold the beginning of a smile even though one can control it a fraction of a second later. People who spend more time in the sun are likely to be happier. Happiness is not out there for us to find. The reason it's not out there is because it's inside us. The best feeling comes when you realize that you are perfectly happy without the people you thought you needed the most. Only 10% of your happiness comes from external circumstances. Remaining 90% comes with your inner thoughts and feelings according to psychology. Women are unhappiest in their life around the age of 37, men around the age of 42. Smiling can reduce our blood pressure. The first to apologize is always the bravest. The first to forgive is the strongest. The first to forget is the happiest. Too much happiness turns you into a risk taker. Lights makes a big impact on happiness.